Rule 205.34, referrals to support magistrates. A summons or warrant in a support proceeding shall be made returnable by the clerk of the court before a support magistrate in the first instance, unless otherwise ordered by the court. Again, if it says a summons in a support case shall be made returnable before who, the answer is a support magistrate in the first instance, unless the court says otherwise. A net worth statement on a form prescribed by the fucking chief administrator shall be appended by the clerk to the summons to be served upon the respondent and shall be given to the petitioner upon the filing of the petition. So the clerk of the court accepts the summons, makes it returnable before a support magistrate in the first instance, and gives a copy of the statement of net worth, which is on a form by the fucking chief administrator, gives a copy to the petitioner and a copy with the summons to be served on respondent. B, this is important. This says, whenever the parties are before the court and support is in issue, the judge shall make an immediate order, whether temporary or permanent, and if he makes a temporary order, he's got to refer the proceeding to a support magistrate. So if the parties are before the court and support is an issue, what shall the judge do? The judge shall make an immediate order of support, either temporary or final, and if it's a temporary order, the judge shall refer the issue of support to a support magistrate. Trying to protect support magistrate jobs, I guess. I don't know. C, this says the above provisions shall apply to initial determinations of support, subsequent modification or violation proceedings, and support proceedings referred to family court by Supreme Court. Now, I think that basically means it applies to all cases about support, because where else would it come from? So it's initial determinations, referrals from Supreme Court, or subsequent violations. And if the judge already made a temporary order because the parties were there and support was an issue, then that would be included too.